an unusual carnivore diet meal plan with a crazy testosterone boost and a rapid weight loss.
Moving on, the lunch meal will certainly make your mouth water like crazy. For a testosterone-boosting lunch on the carnivore diet, consider starting with a lean steak, such as sirloin or ribeye. Grilled or broiled, these cuts provide high-quality protein and essential fats, which are necessary for testosterone production and muscle maintenance in your body. A steak lunch is not only satisfying by all means, but it is also vital for maintaining your metabolism efficiency. Another option is the lamb leg. Lamb, particularly cuts like loin or leg, is also a great choice for the lunch meal. Rich in protein and healthy fats, lamb vastly supports hormonal health and is a good source of iron and zinc, necessary for testosterone production. Roast chicken is also a great lunch option, preferably with the skin on to include healthy fats. Chicken is filling and really helps maintain lean muscle mass, which is essential for an effective metabolism. Including a side of bone broth with any of these meals highly enhances the nutritional intake, providing collagen and amino acids for better joint health and digestion. Can you guess which one of these options results in the max boost in libido? Do write in the comments. Moving on to the afternoon snacks. For an evening snack, a practical and nutritious option is a can of tuna in water. Tuna is not only convenient but also packed with protein and vitamin D, both of which are essential for hormone health and muscle maintenance. It's low in calories, which greatly helps in managing your overall daily calorie intake for weight loss. Another choice could be a few slices of turkey jerky. Turkey jerky is lean and provides a good protein boost without too much fat, making it a highly suitable snack for those on a weight loss journey. And if you want to get really credible and useful info about your health and fitness, subscribe now to Shape Squad, as we regularly bring extremely practical and science-backed stuff solely focused on enhancing your overall health and wellness. Meanwhile, check out our vast range of videos on healthy diet plan options by visiting our channel. Like and share this video with the carnivore power. See you!